No one would have believed in the last years of the 19th century that human affairs were being watched from the timeless worlds of space. No one could have dreamed we were being scrutinized as someone with a microscope studies creatures that swarm and multiply in a drop of water. Few men even considered the possibility of life on other planets. And yet, across the gulf of space, minds immeasurably superior to ours regarded this Earth with envious eyes, and slowly and surely they drew their plans against us.
Can you hear it better now? I plugged the microphone in, so you should be able to hear it a bit better because of the well, not now obviously. I've taken the microphone away. See, because the other day my microphone stopped working, and so I tried to fix it, but I wasn't sure if I'd done a good job. Thought maybe I'd made it worse. So I don't know if this is working. Then screw you, Dad. I can fix stuff. And if it's not, then you were right. Probably got some things to explain about this set. I burnt all my clothes. I went insane a little while ago, and I decided I didn't need them anymore. This is Chicken Run is my favorite prison escape film of all time. It's the best one ever, in my opinion. I think it's probably just the best film of all time. All of them. It's better than all of them. No, except maybe Wallace and Gromit. That came first. God. Oh yeah, this photo. I really like dogs. So this is a photo of one. I think. The monkey. Don't worry, I didn't hurt him. He just rocked up on my doorstep one day, and maybe I hurt him then. Anyway, he said he was an actor and he was looking for work, so I employed him. I don't pay him. God. You know, this has probably gone on for long enough. I think I'll know if the microphone is working. I just want to be clear that I know this music was published by CBS, but if you take down this video, I will come to your house and I'll murder your family, and then I'll put it back up.